Hello, it's Liz here from Skills for Parents, and today I'm going to teach you how to use compasses. So these are a pair of compasses. It's not a compass. A compass is a thing that you find north with. And I have just tightened mine up, so they're now really stiff. So you'll see that there's a screw hole on one side and you can tighten them up because you don't want them too loose. If they're too loose, then you can't make a good circle. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Then you need a sharp pencil and you will put it in, and I'm just going to go and show you my screen so that you can see. Here we go, here's my desk, and I'm going to set it up with there we go. So I've put it together and I've put them down on paper together, and then I've just tightened up this thing here so that it's nice and tight and the pencil doesn't fall out. Okay, so that's the first step, is to have your compasses like that. Now what you need to do is you are going to need to measure how wide you want your compasses, so the size of your circle. So I've got my ruler and I'm going to open my compasses up, and I'm going to be careful not to move the black thing because it can come apart sometimes if you're not careful. Mine are really stiff, as I said. Yours may not be quite so stiff, but you do want them quite stiff. So I'm going to put mine at 4. Okay, so my compasses are now set at 4 centimetres, and I'm going to hold them between my thumb and my index finger. And I want you I've just held my elbow up because that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to just move it between my thumb and my first finger like so. Okay, there you go. You can just move it. That's the first thing to practice, is just doing that like that, because that makes a really big difference. And it's how you want to be able to control. So you don't want to hold it too tightly, but just roll it between your thumb and your index finger like I'm doing. That is going to be how you're going to draw your circle. You're going to have, so that's what I call the twizzle. Okay, there are 3 steps to drawing a circle, and the first one's the twizzle. The next one is to have your elbow up high. So you're going to hold your elbow up high because that will make a real difference as you use compasses. Then, and I'm just going to show you my desk again, we are going to sweep. So you are going to sweep it round. So can you notice that I'm using quite an angle and I've got my elbow up high? And I've had a lot of success with people with drawing a circle like that by practicing many circles in that way. So you're twizzling between your first and your thumb, your first finger and your thumb. You've got your elbow up high, and then you are just sweeping. The difficult bit is when it goes underneath your elbow. Some people have better effect with a short pencil like the ones that you borrow in IKEA. So I'm just going to move it under. When I get to underneath myself, I've just lifted my elbow up and I'm going round like so. And you can see my circles are quite neat. That's because I've got everything really, really tight so it can't move. And then I'm holding it between, I'm doing the twizzle, the elbow and the sweep. The other thing I'm doing is I'm holding my paper with my other hand so that it cannot move, because that's one of the other places where it might go wrong, is if your paper moves. And you have to make sure you're putting some weight through that centre because you don't want that point to move either. So I'm placing my weight through the centre, but I'm then sweeping round in a circle. If you can't get that right, keep practicing it, and I'd love to know what you think of the video and how it's helped you. Thank you.